Hello everyone, welcome to Pro Learner YouTube channel. I am Ahmed Sandhu. In this tutorial, we will learn how to write JavaScript code in Visual Studio Code. So first of all, you will go to your browser and open Node.js website, the nodejs.org, okay? And from here, you need to install LTS version, which is long-term support version and recommended by the Node.js, okay? So I already installed Node.js in my machine, and after that I will open my terminal and I will check Node.js installed successfully or not in my machine. So to check that and to ensure that the command is node-v, okay? And here you see the Node.js installed successfully on my machine because it shows the version number of Node.js, okay? And after that you need to install Visual Studio Code on your local machine. So I already installed VS Code in my machine. So after that I will open Visual Studio Code and I opened that folder in which I need to write JavaScript code. So I already opened the folder which is JavaScript, and in this folder I will create a file of JavaScript. So for example, the file name is app.js or main.js. So I will give the name to the file is main.js. So in this file I will write simple a console, okay? Hello world from JavaScript. Now you save the code, and after that you need to open the terminal in VS Code. Okay, you go to the terminal and click on the new terminal, and inside this you need to write a command which is node and after that the file name, whatever you need to run. So in my case the command is node main.js because the file name is main.js. I hit the enter button and here you see the output, hello world from the JavaScript, okay? And after that I will write also another simple code of JavaScript, like for example if else statement. Okay, so first of all I will create a variable. Now I write a if else statement to check the user eligible for the traffic license or not. So if age is greater than or equal to 18, then the user is eligible, you are eligible for the license. And also the else block, if you are under 18 then the user is not eligible. So this is just a simple JavaScript code to show you you are not eligible. Now I save the code and after that I will run the command again, and here you see you are eligible for the license because the variable value is 18. So that's it. This is all you need to know about how to use and write JavaScript code inside the Visual Studio Code. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like the video. I will see you in the next video.